I have been so sick. Not that that matters though. Y'all are here for the kart content. Which, I can't even believe this happened. Look at this. Check out what happened. Yeah, so clearly that was not an accident. Bruh. But after that accident occurred, I realized the tire's pretty spent on our 500 watt. And, well, the XL's fine. But we're changing that too. Because today, we got these. Actually, 3 of them. Even though this is only 2. 1 for each kart. We're going to put one on the 500 watt, the 1100 watt, and the XL. The new Kenda Tire from Taxi Garage. Just a very unique tread pattern here. I don't know if y'all can see. Should be interesting though. Don't forget, use discount code TJ Travels. Which leads me to my next thing. I often have to buy parts 3 times on this channel to try them out on every setup I have. Not just the standard and XL, but a higher powered kart versus a lower powered kart. And the best way you can support this channel and keep things going is by leaving a like and subscribing. Thank you. But without further ado, enough jibber jabber, let's get into it. Starting with the XL. So here's the XL. Tire and rim already off. At some point I'm going to make a video about that, how to take it off and put it back on. That's the stocky on a rim of its own. That's the Kenda that's going on. And this is a super solid that I had on a different rim setup. Yeah. Center spacer. Other part of the rim. Tire.
You got a rough time getting that spacer in there.
Yeah, now I've learned, like, you know, if you're careful and keep it upright while you're trying to, you already know. This is hot garbage. This is super solid. Watch this. I felt that. Just 3 bolts. Yeah, it doesn't, we don't really have to have that on there because it's getting threaded to the back. Like, remember we use screws on the back side? Because if these have nuts on the back, bolts on the back, or whatever holding them in, shouldn't that be okay? I don't know. We'll find out.
Chain just flew off.
Really?
Yeah.
As soon as you tried to go?
Uh-huh.
Hit that power button for me, would you?
Think that other piece is supposed to go on there?
No. No, definitely not.
Bruh. I got a joke for you.
Yeah.
What do you call nuts on a wall?
Uh-oh. I don't know.
Walnuts. What do you call nuts on a chest?
Chestnuts.
Chestnuts? What do you call nuts on your chin?
I don't know.
In your mouth? I started making this this playlist on Spotify. It's called All About Lemons. And I just added every song that references lemons and put it all on one playlist.
How come I'm getting the feeling this isn't even a joke? This is the truth.
Nope, I'll show you. Lemon by Rihanna. Lemonade by Youngblood. Lemonade by KK. Lemonade by Gucci Mane.
Oh my god.
Lemonade by Internet Money. Both of them. And there's like 30 songs on there.
That's impressive. So this part sucks, huh?
Money.
I think that's the quickest I've ever done that too.
Just like that.
Let's make sure we can get this on in a line. It's a great way to stay in shape. setup. Like, I mean, I'm gonna put it on the other carts, but I might not show it every time all finished and done. Ooh, that looks like it glides. Oh shit.
I like it.
You like that?
I like it already. I got more control with it.
Huh. I was gonna say, that thing looks like it's just gliding on water right now. Call this the park bench. Oh shit. A little grippy?
Took a little too far there, bud.
Jesus Christ, man. He really loves that Kenda Tire. That was a good one.
Need to start listening to panic. I'll put the damn guard in.
Sorry, I just wanted to see something. I just wanted to see something.
Motor's really hot.
Is it? Turn it on, and then before you hit the gas, give it like 2 or 3 seconds. Try it now. Oh, something in there is loose. See that? Damn.
You don't think the controller's going bad, do you?
I mean, I don't think so, but it could be a possibility. Hey, that light still turns on, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so the battery is working. That'll probably work, right? I mean, oh. Unless you want to. You don't want the ratchet, right?
No.
Alright. Cool. Little tank engine that could. 500 watt towing a 1000 watt. 500 watt standard towing a 1000 watt XL. So we broke the XL. We blew it up. Or at least that's what I think. The motor. Fried the motor. But we'll find out. No point in crying over spilt milk. For now, moving on. This is the 500 watt. Remember, we're getting to the 1100 watt. But 500 watt, 36 volt, wide casters, everything else I could do. From Taxi Garage. Discount code below. I don't really need to show you this going on to all of them now that I showed you once, right? Quick little safety note. Make sure you let all the air out of your tire if you're not going to pop it first. You don't want that rim coming apart on you. Helpful quick tip number 2. Put a little bit of air in this before tightening up the rim, and it'll help ensure that you don't pinch that tube at all. Third and final quick little tip before I put air in this tire we ride. Don't forget to oil these chains. They're a lot like a dirt bike chain. They need to be oiled, and it might even be hard to get in there. As you can see, I'm struggling, but even on the outside would be better than nothing. Ooh. Now immediately I notice that this is a nice tire, guys. Ooh. Of course, I just came from a spanked Knobby. Oh. Ooh. $500 watt, 36 volt, Kenda Tire. Oh, that is nice, folks. Backy to drift. Kinda. Kinda. Immediately, I'm noticing how nice of a tire this is. But, y'all had enough of this yet? Oh, because I got an 1100 watt to show y'all. That is nice. Damn. Okay, we out here now. 1100 watt, 48 volt, done messing around. Holy crap. This feels so good, guys. I think I found my new favorite. grip on this. Holy crap. Wow. Okay, understand. I just went from a flat to this, so I get it. But like, Jesus. Quick little slow backy. Well, we still got the speed going, right? Wow. So the sidewall deflection on this is supposed to be a happy median between a Knobby and a CST. What does that mean? The way I see it, the reason everybody likes Knobbies is because they have the least sidewall deflection, like a solid tire. They're really easy to use. I just don't feel like they last very long or like they're the grippiest though. And the CST, save those for the professionals, because that's my favorite. No, just kidding. No, it is my favorite though, but it's got the most sidewall deflection. So basically the tire wants to fold in on itself while you're taking crazy angles. I mean, not really, but that's the motion it's taking. That's the forces at play, if that makes sense. Like when you do things like this. Wow. Backies for the boys. Shall we do it the other way? Just prove that we can? I don't like it, if I'm being honest with y'all. Yeah, see? Doesn't work out too well for me. Gotta slow down for your cars. This is their roadway. I'm just kind of an extra. Remember that, folks. Holy shit. On a full charge with a new tire. Whew. This thing doing a lot better. I was starting to wonder if it was losing some juice last time I rode it, but apparently not. So again, folks, just kidding. It's not that the Knobby's for beginners and the CST is for professionals. It's really a preference thing. Like, if you've got things down and you like it accurate and flicky and snappy and quick, I like the CST. I actually like this a lot more though, if I'm being honest, all of a sudden. Maybe it's because it's a brand new tire, I don't know. But I just fly through the Knobbies. But yeah, Kenda Tire. Let's see, I smoked this thing around a corner or two. And it still looks beautiful. It's not even worn. I don't know what to think of that. I don't know what to say, boys. I think I got my new favorite tire here. Bummer about the XL, but I'll get it figured out for sure. I think y'all know I don't like the speed runs either, but for the gram, for the tube. Oh shit, son. So ridiculous, guys. So ridiculous. Kenda Tire gets my vote. You guys know the deal. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching until the end. Short one this week, I know. Plenty more to come to that RSF, as well as the MX. More kart stuff too. It'll be beautiful, y'all. Don't ruin your shoes like me. I'm foolish. Until next time, guys. Thank you so much. I love y'all. Stay tuned. Oop. Yeah, you know the deal. About ready to hurt myself just trying to give you all that.